Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping deletions before they begin. Open Google Account Security and confirm your primary email, recovery email, and a phone number that you control. Once done, enable two-step verification using an authenticator app or a physical security key. This is the single most effective barrier. Make sure to review recent sign-ins and devices. Revoke any sessions you don't recognize. You're doing this because Google flags suspicious access and unwanted account changes when recovery methods aren't valid or when two-step isn't enabled. Next, reinforce the middle layer. Generate backup codes and save them offline or in a trusted password manager so you can regain access if two-step fails. Then audit third-party apps and OAuth permissions. Revoke anything you don't actively use, because malicious apps can request destructive scopes. Also inspect inactivity and data retention settings, make sure auto-delete windows aren't set too aggressively, and configure alerts for account changes. Doing this reduces automated or app-driven deletion risk and preserves your recovery pathways. Finally, finish the process by activating alerts and designating trusted contacts or an account manager if your organization allows it. These give additional recovery routes. Perform a recovery test. Sign out, then use the account recovery flow to verify your backup codes, phone, and recovery email work as intended. If something goes wrong, follow Google Account Recovery carefully and submit precise, consistent answers, timestamps, devices, and locations to increase success. A key tip: if recovery fails, wait 24 to 72.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.